Sorrento is a great home base when traveling the Amalfi Coast. It's more affordable in terms of everything and easier to get around. Take the ferry to Positano. It's around €20 per person, and you'll avoid the crazy traffic and take in the coastal views. Bring your water shoes, as the beach is rocky. The beach beds were pricey, but well worth it. It was around €70 for the front row, but how often are you in Positano? Enjoy a 20-minute ferry from Sorrento to Capri. We walk to the top, but I recommend taking a bus or a taxi. We ended up wandering into this hotel and stayed for a couple hours. And we had the balcony area pretty much to ourselves the entire time. Please like and subscribe.